Welcome to the Drive-On Safety Inspection demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to conduct a safety inspection on a light-duty vehicle using the modernized inspection equipment and new tablet technology. The safety checklist is tailored to the vehicle and inspection type. Please note that a yellow annual safety inspection sticker is only issued for commercial inspections. Before we begin, we want to point out that safety should always be the #1 consideration when performing an inspection. Be sure you are wearing the proper personal protective equipment. Place wheel chocks on the drive wheels to prevent movement during the inspection and vent the exhaust outside of the building. On the main menu, you will see the number of inspection stickers available to the Vehicle Inspection Center. As noted previously, inspection stickers are only issued when completing commercial safety inspections. If your Vehicle Inspection Center does not complete commercial safety inspections, this will not be present. The remaining battery life of the tablet is also displayed on this screen. The tablet software supports both English and French languages. A help feature is available on each screen in the top right corner. This will provide helpful information for the current portion of the inspection. You can also use the video conference feature from any screen to speak with the Drive-On Assistance team. Select the Inspection Menu button to proceed to the Inspection Menu screen. You can see all the available options on the Inspection Menu screen. For this demonstration, we are selecting the second option, Safety Inspection. On the Safety Inspection Menu screen you'll see the available options. Perform Commercial Safety Inspection. This option is used when inspecting vehicles that require a yellow Commercial Safety Inspection sticker. Perform LDV/motorcycle safety inspection. This option is used for completing safety inspections on cars, motorcycles and pickup trucks, not requiring a yellow inspection sticker. In progress safety inspection. This is selected when the technician is logging back into the application to continue an inspection that was started but not yet completed. Proof of brake inspection. This option allows the technician to enter brake inspections that were not conducted during a safety inspection. Reprint inspection sticker. This is used to reprint a sticker in the event that a sticker is lost or damaged. Receive stickers. When an inspection center receives a new order of commercial safety stickers, they use this option to enter them into inventory on tablet prior to use. Commercial safety training mode, used for practicing commercial safety inspections. From LDV/motorcycle safety training mode. This is used for practicing LDV and motorcycle safety inspections. Proof of brake training mode. This is used for practicing proof of brake inspection entries. For this demonstration, we are selecting the second option, Perform LDV motorcycle safety inspection. You will be prompted to enter your user ID and password before logging into the system. This is the same user ID and password you created when you registered for the Drive-On program at www.driveonportal.com. For additional security, you will be asked once a day during your first inspection to authenticate your account using a verification code that is sent via email. If mobile phone number has been added to your account, a text message containing the verification code will also be sent. Once the system confirms that everything is checked, you can proceed by selecting Continue. You will be prompted to take a photo of the vehicle including the license plate. This vehicle photo is required to proceed. You will then select if the vehicle is plated or not plated. You will also be required to enter the vehicle's license plate number. If the vehicle license plate was issued from another province or country, change the appropriate fields using the drop-down menus. You can capture up to 5 optional pre-inspection photos with the tablet's rear-facing camera to store with the inspection record. These photos can be used to capture pre-existing damage to the vehicle or other items you may wish to document at the beginning of the inspection. You will be prompted to take a photo of the compliance label of the vehicle being inspected. This compliance photo is required to proceed. You can capture up to 3 photos. You will be prompted to enter the VIN. To enter the VIN, select the button to scan the VIN barcode using the rear-facing camera. If the barcode cannot be scanned, you must enter the VIN manually twice. Review and validate the pre-populated vehicle information and complete any fields that remain unpopulated. Determine if the vehicle's odometer is readable and functioning and check the appropriate box. You will then be prompted to take a photo of the instrument cluster with the odometer information displayed and enter the odometer reading in the field below. It is your responsibility to ensure submitted photos are clear and contain the information required. You can review or retake any pictures taken to ensure clarity. If fail or repair is selected, you will be prompted to choose the reason and take a photo before proceeding to the next section. Please note that entering any of the safety items as a fail will result in the vehicle failing the inspection. You will now be prompted to turn the vehicle's ignition switch to the off position for 10 seconds. Once this is complete, select Continue. At this point, connect the 1OBD device to the vehicle's data link connector. If unsure where the vehicle's DLC connector is located, you can select Locate DLC to view a diagram showing the location. If the vehicle's data link connector is missing, damaged, or inaccessible, select DLC Unavailable. Once the 1OBD device is connected to the vehicle's DLC connector, select Continue. Now you are prompted to start the engine. Place the vehicle in park or neutral. Start the engine. Select Engine Started to proceed. Once the OBD test is complete, you will be instructed to disconnect the 1OBD device from the vehicle and select Continue. The information collected will be reviewed and the inspection may be interrupted by an auditor. This screen will close automatically. You can add optional comments about the OBD inspection here. You will now select if any telltales warning lights were illuminated during the safety inspection. Select Yes or No. If Yes is selected, a screen will populate with a checklist for you to indicate which items were noted. Please note that if any of the items are entered as a defect, it will result in a vehicle failing the inspection. If No is selected, the application will automatically proceed to the next page. Once complete, click Continue. You are now prompted to enter additional vehicle information such as fuel tank level, number of axles. After you enter the data, the application will populate checklists for each axle on the vehicle. Select the drop-down menu for each axle and answer the following questions. Steer axle. Yes or no? Number of tires. Brake type. Disc or drum. This information is used to populate the list of safety items later in the test. Select Continue. You can now select any of the categories shown. Selecting one of these categories will populate a list of safety items for that area. Some categories require you to complete additional steps. This can include taking additional photos, recording measurements, and adding notes. These categories are marked with a star and these entries are mandatory. We are going to start by selecting the brake system category. This displays the list of brake system items. In this case, there is more than one page of items. You can navigate between these pages by using the arrows located at the bottom of the page. You will notice that a star is next to line 9 disc brake system components. This indicates it is a mandatory field. Select this line. This page lists the disc brake components. Select Pass, Fail or Repaired for each item. Failed items will require you to take a photo or video of the failed or repaired component. You will notice the stars indicating that mandatory measurements are required. Select Disc Rotor Thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Please note that the application will populate a list of brake assemblies based on the number of axles entered earlier in the inspection. Enter the thickness measurement for each brake disc and drum. Select the appropriate box to indicate if each disc and drum is outside the discard tolerance. Take a photo of each disc and drum. Once complete, select Continue. Select the appropriate box, Pass, Fail or Repair for the disc/rotor thickness. Now select Pad Friction Material Thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Take a photo and enter the friction material thickness for both inner and outer pads. On each brake assembly, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair. For the remaining disc brake system components, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair. For the remaining brake system components, select Continue. Select Tires and Wheels to enter mandatory measurements for that section. Select Tire Tread Depth. Select Condition. Select the drop-down for each tire assembly. Take a photo and select the tread depth for each tire. Using the drop-down, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair. For condition, select Continue. Select Tire Inflation Pressure. Select Inflation Pressure. Select the drop-down for each tire assembly. Enter the initial and final tire pressure readings for each tire. Please note the photo is optional. For tire inflation pressure, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair. For each category, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair for each of the categories listed in Tires and Wheels. If you select Fail or Repair for any item, the tablet will populate additional checklists. The technician is going to select Fail for wheel fasteners, nut bolts, and studs. Enter Pass, Fail, or Repair for each item. Select Fail for condition. A checklist will populate for you to select the type of failure noted. In this example, we selected any fastener is broken. A photo or video is required. For each failed component, select the camera icon. You now have the option to choose photo or video. Select Photo. The camera will automatically open on the screen and the photo can be taken. You also have the option to enter notes for each item. This can be done by selecting the note icon on the right side. Once complete, select Continue. Select Continue. Select Pass, Fail, or Repair. For each of the remaining categories, select Submit. The inspection summary will be displayed for the technician to review. You now have the opportunity to review the entry and make any changes necessary. Select the back button to make changes. If no changes are required, sign your name using your finger on the touch screen tablet and select Continue. You will now have the opportunity to review the safety inspection report. Select the Close button. This confirms the inspection results have been sent to the program database. Select OK to proceed. A copy of the report will be sent to the VIC owner/delegate automatically. If the vehicle has passed the inspection as safety standards certificate will also be emailed. You will be provided the option to email the safety inspection report to the motorist. The VIR can be emailed to the motorist in either English or French by checking one or both options. Enter the motorist's email address and then press Send. Here is an example of the email. This is an example of the safety inspection report. This concludes our demonstration of a light-duty vehicle inspection with the new inspection equipment.